Now, moving on to part 4. Into the marketplace, a beginner's guide to Amazon FBA Wholesale. Cost analysis. Whenever you buy a product for a certain amount, you sell that at an upfront cost. That cost is your profit. However, from that profit, Amazon keeps its own fee and fulfillment cost as well. For example, the product that we saw, the product that was actually good to sell, in which the buy box was dominated by the FBAs. Let's look at that. It's being sold for $33.49. Let's suppose you entered in that product. You go there and you list that product for $33.05. Okay, so now the Amazon fee would be 4.96, the fulfillment cost would be 3.92, and storage fee 0.01. That is the Amazon's fee entirely. If you bought this product for $20, let's suppose, your profit is 4. It's actually not 4, because before that you would have to pay for the packaging and stuff, QR code and everything. That would cost about $2 per product. Hence, 2.16 per product is your profit on this, if you're buying it for 20. MOQ, minimum order quantity, that's a really important thing when you're buying something from a distributor. Higher the quantity, lower the price. If you buy 1,000 products, you won't get it for 20. You would easily get a discount on that. That distributor would happily sell you the same product for $16. Your profit goes higher. It goes 6.16. This is how this is how cost analysis works. Simple. Now, let's look at the FBM calculator. Same price, $33.05. Amazon fee, same price. No fulfillment cost. No storage fee. Just Amazon fee, because you're listing on their app. Other cost, you could add the packaging cost, which is still $2, and you are left with $6. However, now you are delivering that product as well, so the gas price would come on you instead, which could actually be more expensive than what you're paying to Amazon, because Amazon is traveling all over the country with the parcels, while you can't cover the entire United States on your own. Amazon has a lot of warehouses. You only have one. So for a starter, FBA is much better. It's a cheaper option. And if all the rules are followed, then it's actually the best option in my opinion. Because in private label, you have to spend a lot of money just to get your listing higher. While FBA Wholesale just sell at a listing that's already been successful from before. So if you do this right, you can still do this, like I said in the trailer. Okay, so that was it for the cost analysis part 4. Now in the final part, we will be talking about the documentation requirements, all the documentation that Amazon need. If you're working from Pakistan, for example, or even from any other country, the documentation requirements would be similar. We will be talking about that. Till then, take care.